Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm here with T3 as their stylist ambassador to show you all kinds of tips and tricks to get your perfect and favorite style. One of the things people struggle with the most is how to get their curls to last. First and foremost, you need to have good tools. That's why I love T3, because the technology behind this tool in particular has a microchip that's constantly reheating the barrel. And for most of us that haven't replaced our tools in a very long time, what ends up happening and why your curls don't last is you wait for it to heat up, and then it's really hot on this side. You start here on your dominant side, your curls are really tight, it's really hot, and then as you work your way around to the non-dominant side, and you're constantly going over it, and it's like you go over it 5 times, but since the tool is not reheating itself, you're not getting the same curl, and there's not as much heat, and it can be hundreds of degrees cooler on this side versus this side. So that's why it's really important to have tools that will help you get a curl that actually will last for not just one day, but more than one, next day, sometimes third day, and then you're set. Second is you want to make sure that you're not spraying too much product, especially hairspray, too soon. So a lot of times people spray a heavy hairspray over, a section before you curl it, and you think that's going to, that's going to make it stay. But what ends up happening is it's just too much product and it's weighing it down. So with that extra product and also with the alcohol that's in your hairspray, is it'll dry it out and weigh it down. So you don't want to spray too much spray before you're doing it or too soon after. A light mist at the end, about 8 to 10 inches away from your hair, so it's really just a mist and not a direct spritz on your hair, will help it hold, but hairspray is not the #1 way to make your hair stay. So just kind of being aware of how and when to use your product. Number 3, so obviously we know the older tricks of, you can hold your curl after you wave it, you can kind of let it sit and cool in your hand. That always works. But ultimately what brings me to number 4 is you want to make sure your heat setting is not too high. Think about this. So your hair, if it's on the hottest setting, is gonna get really, really hot. It's gonna be a tight curl, and then you're gonna let it go. And as it's down, it will start to cool off, and what will set is the weight, and you'll end up losing your wave. So making sure you're at the heat setting that works for you. So there you have my 4 little tips and tricks for how to achieve a long-lasting curl. Some that are just easy tweaks for your day-to-day styling, and some that are worth your investment on a tool that has technology that'll help you create exactly what you're looking for more than just one day.